Greeting viewers, today we will make scary spiderweb cupcakes. Let's start the recipe. Look at this. Viewers, I have made these cupcakes. You will find their link in the description, and you can also watch this recipe by visiting our channel. And look at how soft they are. See this. We have taken a tray and placed the cupcakes in it. Look at this. Viewers, we heated the pan and put marshmallows on it. Now when we lift them by hand, they will form a web. Look at this. Viewers, we will put this on top of it. As it melts, it will stick to it. The pan is still very hot, so don't do this with your hand. Otherwise, you might burn your hand. Keep spreading it over the top, like this. In the same way, I will spread it all and then serve it to you for the final look. Look viewers, our spiderweb cupcakes are ready. If you like this recipe, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. God willing, I will be back with a new video for you. Goodbye.